Hey, we're here at the workshop this morning. We're building some custom cabinets. Come on back. So a few months back, we built out this workshop and we're super excited to be building our own custom cabinets for our new and upcoming jobs. One thing about going with Ace's Home is quality's huge. So we use 1/2 inch on all 3 sides, and the bottom floor of it we're actually using 3/4, which makes a rock solid cabinet. It's got the exposed knots and things like that. Once it stains, it'll give a really nice custom country look. Another thing that's super important is our drawer boxes. What we do here is we actually do 1/2 inch on all 4 sides and also 1/2 inch in the bottom floor of this thing. That way, whenever you got heavy pots, pans, whatever you may put in any kind of drawer, it's got the strength there to support it. The hardware that we went with on these are actually undermount soft close hardware. And of course, these are going to be all of our drawer fronts here. So all this stuff is actually custom built here in-house. So we're super excited here at Ace's to be offering custom cabinets. If you're in the market for a custom metal home, feel free to reach out to Ace's and call us today.